In front of me is Realme 10 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can manage autocorrection on this Realme. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll all the way down and choose Additional Settings. Following that, select Keyboard and Input Method. Tap on Manage Keyboards and click on Gboard. Lastly, tap on Text Correction, scroll down just a bit and click on this switcher next to autocorrection to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!